All right, I'm at the old Benton County Jail. We had an investigation last night. I have to come get my ladder.
Follow you.
Okay, you can follow me. I don't know what that noise was. There's a popping sound behind me. I always say I won't run away from noises, but I almost walked away from that. Is there anybody here with me? You said follow you. Then you made a noise. It's always possible as a floor pop. Anyway, I'm not going to have this on my face. I know this is the selfie. Maria? I was going to say this is the selfie generation, but no one wants to look at my face as much as they want to see the jail. But right now, I'm trying to find a microphone that was lost last night. Now, if more noises happen while I'm in here by myself, I might second guess what I'm doing in here. I don't know Maria. I heard you, Maria, but I don't know who that is. But we had a group in last night, January 9th, 2021, almost said 2020. And it seemed like they had some pretty good activity. I'm hoping that they'll be able to send me some evidence or anything they would have captured. First thing we got was a shadow figure at the theater, but we were able to debunk it. I was able to debunk it. I got too excited. I posted it on social media before really doing any level of debunking. And by looking at the cameras in the theater, I was able to see from the detail screen, or the details of the photograph. So when you take a picture, there are photographic or timestamp details captured. Well, the exact same time he took the picture, and it looked like a shadow figure, a
Jane,
short woman, walked out of the office and right into view, and pretty much matched the shadow. I just got Jane. I don't know Jane. Another noise. I don't know what that was. Making a lot of my own noise. But I thought I would see if maybe the mic is up here. So glad I smashed my shin on the ladder step. That's a freaking good time. All right. I don't think anybody went up yesterday, though. Is there anybody up here? Jane, Maria? Somebody who said they would follow me? Whoever's making the freaking noise? All right. I think that is from the metal bars. There's something in the wall, so it's a magnetic response. And mainly I want to get my ladder, but I'm trying to see if I can find this guy's microphone. A lot of sunlight either to work with. Check up in the women's dormitory, which is roughly where that sound came from, so. We'll see if we can pick it up again. But it's just a small camera microphone, but it's very key to his setup. I could tell he was really Distraught's the right word, but definitely bummed out. As I'm walking and talking and looking, if there's anybody here with me that would like to make their presence known, you can talk, and hopefully it'll be picked up over my heavy breathing because I'm fat. But this thing can pick up voices, images, and it can display words. We've already gotten Maria, Jane, and follow you right before I heard the noise behind me. That is normal. Me slamming into a wall. Me slamming into a wall is normal. We'll see if we can find it down here anywhere. Now, I didn't follow the groups around, so I can only go by what they were telling me, but they were getting results with spirit boxes, SB7s, with the microphonic app. Ouch, that was my elbow hitting a drawer, so it might sound like a growl, but it was just my elbow hitting a drawer, cabinet drawer. This is the records room. And I'm not seeing that microphone anywhere. I checked twice last night, hoping it's just in his backpack and he misplaced it. Got a stuffy nose, so I'm heavy breathing fat too. Oh. Is there anybody back here with me? If you know where the microphone is, just toss it in the middle of the floor for me. I think some of it is all this mold. I got mold allergies, so investigating in a moldy place is probably not the brightest thing to do, but no one ever said I was the brightest. I don't know where that microphone got to. Said he was down here. What was interesting for that young man was his battery kept draining even after he'd charged it.
Kenneth.
Kenneth? Yeah. Who's Kenneth? I don't know Kenneth. Is Kenneth somebody that was part of the jail? Did he know Jane or Maria, who he said earlier? Man, I have no idea where that microphone got to, bud. Oh man, a runny nose. Cold, moldy, all the things that dreams are made of. This ghost hunting stuff is a glamorous life. Watch, I'm not tall, but there's some low-hanging stuff. I don't want to crack my head on anything. There's some old cell doors. I don't think I've ever actually shared this screen or section with anybody. Keep hitting my head on that wire. Just power running through some of this stuff.
Aaron.
Aaron. Aaron. Getting a lot of names. I I can't say normally, but I'm used to getting more just general words, not names. Now, what will be interesting is if any of these are names of former inmates who've passed away, or maybe not passed away. Maybe you're connecting with their names. Yeah, we're in there. All right, we're going to go upstairs. Aaron, Kenneth, Jane, Maria, you're welcome to join me. Maybe you can help me find the microphone. Or you can make some more noises like before. Let's go this way. This place is a maze. You know, I'm not going to haul on my hands and knees looking for that damn thing. Too old for that shit. I don't think he had it in the attic, but we're going to check the bedroom, see what was up there. Is there anybody upstairs who would like to communicate with me? Oh, sorry about the sniffles, everybody.
Patient, demon.
Patient, demon. A patient demon? I don't think that makes a whole lot of sense to me. Oh, there's a dead bird. I think he's dead. Looks pretty dead. I mean, right there. Acid ashes and all that. I don't know what that microphone is, dude. I got only one more place to check. And then I think, unfortunately, it may have walked off with somebody.
Louis.
Louis. Louis. I'm not. I think he's out of luck. We'll try the attic. And after that, we're going to go. My little bat friend might be up here. I know I didn't explore the name Louis, but I don't know Louis.
Sure.
Sure? What are you sure about? That I don't know Louis? Yeah, I'm sure. I know James Lewis. He's just passed away. Friend. A long time ago in a different place. Man, that's a lot of shit. You see that? That's all bad shit. I ain't touching that shit. And that microphone, I think, is toast. Alright. Well, thanks for joining me while I looked for a microphone. We'll go through the footage, see if I can pick up that popping sound. It's hard to tell in an old building. Been a floorboard, but that's a concrete floor that I was standing on. So that's highly unlikely that popped. Something could have just shifted. I don't think he went back here. No. Well, I mean, I don't know, but there's no microphone. All right. Okay, well, that's it for this short adventure. Get my crap and get the hell out of here. Take care. That concludes another investigation. Join us again when we investigate in My Haunted Fowler.